Hello everyone, I would like to welcoming you all for this Innovation Day 2022 session on fostering the sales cycle with effective collaboration. Myself Mohammad Firnas, working as a sales engineer in Atmata for UAE region. Today we are going to see how 3D Experience platform helping the sales cycle for the faster collaboration. In today's session we are going to see how 3D Experience platform helping in the data accessibility from anywhere, anytime, and on any device, and how it is facilitate the collaboration between sales and other department, and how you and your team members can share ideas and connect people through the 3D stream communities, and finally how your marketing team can gain the real-time data insight to drive the successful outcome to know what's going on in and around the market. This company, Bob and Mark, one is manufacturing a different kind of saving machine based on the customer requirement. They are having the in-house design team to do the design of this machine, to validate the machine before the design was ready for production. So they are manufacturing this product and they are exporting to the various part of the world. They have the different series of the saving machine. They are using 3D Experience design tool to do the design of this machine, to virtually evaluate how the machine components are functioning. So this will give the clear representation to the design team as well as the customer, to clearly understand what are the components inside the machine, how the machine was performing the shaving operations. So this is the added advantage where they can virtually see how the machine parts are related to each other, how they are functioning to each other. And with the help of 3D Experience design tool, they are making the whole design and they are virtually able to see this design before it's ready for the production. So let's see the process of this company. So this company, they are getting the inquiry from the sales department, from the various part of the world. Once the inquiry has been generated, the salesperson will discuss with the customer and understand the requirement in detail. So if there is any request from the customer side to make a design change in the existing product, the salesperson will take note of the design changes, and he will communicate the design changes to the design department. Then the design department will take the responsibility to take care of the design change, and they will be able to do the modification with the help of our 3D CAD tools in 3D Experience platform. So once the design has been ready for the production, before sending to the production, they will get the final approval from the customer. Once the customer is approved, they will be able to passing to the marketing team to prepare for the marketing related content. So let's see how 3D Experience platform acts as a single environment to cater a whole process of the company without leaving the environment. So before getting into the live scenario, let's go to the basic. What is 3D Experience platform? In a simple word, we can say it's connecting the people, data, and process under the single environment. It is the platform that gives you the access to the catalog of applications or apps like how we are having it in our mobile phones. These apps allow you to design, simulate, inform, and collaborate on a project. Let's imagine if you want to build a mission, there is going to be more than one person working on your project, right? There could be an engineer, there could be your programmer, there could be your marketing manager, and a mechanical designer. Before, you used to work in a disconnected tool because you have a lot of information, but all this information was stored in the different disconnected tool, which makes your team to collaborate in a live manner, which is very difficult. So that is where 3D Experience platform coming into the picture, where it's giving you the designated applications and you design the personalized package for each role. Let's suppose, for example, a mechanical designer need not to be have the capabilities of project management, so they need to only have the 3D CAD tools. Likewise, marketing manager need not to be have a 3D CAD tool. They just want to produce the marketing material for them, whatever the roles required for them, they need to only have that roles only. So it is very scalable in such a way that company can easily segregate and categorize the what are the required roles. So you can, based on your expansion, based on your business expansion, you can add or remove the roles. So it's very flexible. So these are the roles as you are seeing in the right side of the screen: the 3D creator, 3D product architecture, 3D sculpture. This 3D creator, 3D sculpture, or the 3D CAD tool that just running on the web browser, which doesn't need any installation. Imagine you don't need to spend a amount of investment in your workstation because it's just running on the browser. So likewise, we have a plenty of 3D CAD applications like creative designers, and other X sheet metal designer. So these are the applications which just running on any web browser. So even your designers are in home or in site or in customer place, they can keep continue the work at any time. So this flexibility is given by 3D Experience platform to connect everyone in a real-time environment. So your work need not to be discontinued. So there is a digital continuity is being promoted with the help of 3D Experience platform. To resume we can simply say you can work on the any project, you can work on any project from anywhere and on any device. Not only the 3D CAD tools, for also the simulation tool, you don't need to invest the costly workstation and higher end workstation for the simulation to be done, because now we are moving the simulation also to the cloud. So here you have a lot of dedicated application for especially for the simulation. So your user can run the simulation and produce the result and share it in the real-time environment. With 3D experience, everything is stored on the cloud, which means that you can never lose anything, and anyone can access the latest version of project at any time with a total security, because it comes with the 6th level of advanced security. It also means that you can share what you want with who you want and keep without you want to keep private. This means that you can categorize the information, you can give the level of access to your colleague as well as your stakeholders, even the external partners like your customers, suppliers. So you can even bring them also in the 3D experience platform. Thanks to its project management capability, where each individual can share their agendas and programs, what the task they are going to perform in a 3D experience platform. Let's see the very basic role of 3D experience platform, which is called the collaborative business innovator role, which is a prerequisite for anyone to get onto the 3D experience platform. Let's see what are the applications included in this role. 3D dashboard. 3D dashboard is an application which will allow you to centralize all your information in a single place, where you can keep whatever the information you want every day. Go to office, open your dashboard, it will give all the information. You don't need to switch between emails and chat box and the different kind of application, because it gives a consolidated information in a single place. 3D drive, where you can securely store your data on the cloud, because whatever the data is in the cloud, you can access it from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Let it be a tablet, let it be a mobile phone, or anywhere. You can access those data from anywhere with a secure environment. 3D Play is a viewer kind of tool actually, where you can view the files, like you can even view the SolidWorks files, non-CAD files also, like PDF, Word document, Excel, PPTs. Those documents, if you want to view, you don't need to open the dedicated application, because in 3D Play itself, you can view multiple type of file within a just a simple drag and drop environment. 3D search is one of the unique application with collaborative business innovator role. Let's see what difference between the normal search and 3D search. 3D search is the integrated search, comes with the 6W tags, where if you search for some information, it will give you all the relevant. For example, if you search a word called who, it will give all the information, where and all it was used, who it was created, and when it was lastly used. So likewise, it will give you plenty of information. You can refine your search result, you can more filter your search result to find out the exact information what you're looking for. It will save you a lot of time, because without this tool, many companies are using a file explorer to search the information. But here with the advanced integrator option, it saves you a lot of time. Likewise, 3D sketch is a creative tool where you can, if you want to start sketching your ideas, you don't need to open a 3D CAD application. On the move, you can open the 3D sketch and you can start sketching your ideas, and you can share that ideas with your colleagues. And this is a conceptual kind of sketch. If you want, whenever the idea strikes, you can start open the 3D sketch, you can start doing this sketch. Likewise, 3D story is a application where you can quickly able to create a slides and stories kind of presentation kind of. You don't need to open a PowerPoint kind of application. In 3D story itself, you can create a immersive and interactive kind of stories. 3D Swim application is one of the app which is inside the collaborative business innovator role. It is an in-house social media provided by 3D Experience platform, where you can easily collaborate with your team members as well as your partners, like how you are collaborating in Facebook or WhatsApp, because it is your in-house media where it record all the conversation what's happening in and around. You can create your own communities, you can create your own user group where you can put your team members, and whatever the information you want to share, you can share just like that. Whoever is a member of community, they will receive the live notification, 3D notification. So these are the some snapshots of how the collaborative business innovator role is look like. So this is the interface of 3D experience platform. As you can see, the left side it is a dashboard where I centralized all the hub of information. I centralized the information, whatever the information is most required for me, I can keep all the information in a single place. And whenever the communities, whenever the active charts is going, I will get a live 3D notification alert. It also give me that how many unread notification I'm having, and it's giving the notification also in a timeline kind of view, so you will not even miss a single kind of notification what's happening in and around the company. So likewise, you can also share and move your files. You can create a folder, upload a folder, you can upload a file, you can even download, delete. People whoever wants to comment, they can comment. Whoever all the members of community, they can be able to actively participate on the ideas, they can be able to share the ideas. So likewise, you are digitally connecting everyone in the organization in the single place. So everyone will stay up to date, and this will help the companies to move forward digitally. So the quick benefit of collaborative business innovator, which is a very basic role, but from within that role itself, you are getting this many benefits. You centralized your work, you can able to collaborate socially, you can store, organize, and share your data with a secure environment, and searching option like this searching option, navigating option will save your users a lot of time on daily day-to-day activities. And more important, all this information are securely stored in a cloud environment. Let us see in brief about how we can access your data from anywhere, anytime, and on any device with the help of this 3D Experience platform.
3D Experience is a collection of business tools working together in a single environment. With this, I can communicate with my team members. Your team members can create, collaborate, and share with less restriction. It is nothing but it's a collection of application like how we are having it in our mobile phone. These are the applications that you are seeing like 3D markup, 3D dashboard, 3D drive, 3D play. So 3D markup, it's helping you to give you a dynamic 3D markups review like virtual design review. This is going to keep the work flowing, moving forward without email trials and less in-person meeting. So likewise, each application serves for different purpose. 3D dashboard. 3D dashboard is the starting point of the platform, where you can keep all your information in a centralized hub in a secured environment, like how it is easily configured to show exactly what you need, and it's all run in just a web browser. So see how I categorize my information and centralized in one place, and this is the place with the help of 3D space is a collaborative environment. I can access my file with the help of 3D play with a simple drag and drop. I don't need to install any special viewer to view those design files. So this is one of the design files shared by my design team. So with the help of 3D play, I'm viewing the design file. Whenever as a salesperson, whenever I'm meeting the customer, I can use this tool to lively give a demo on how how our product was designed, how it is functioning, and what are the component it is built up of. So this kind of information I can give it to my customer in a very interactive way. And remember, it doesn't need any graphical interface, it's all running in the web browser. And it's not stopping there, actually it's also having a tools to annotate, like I having a measuring tool. You can see on the bottom of the bar, I can able to do the markup, I can able to add the text. This customer is requesting me to replace the 100 watt motors to 50 watt motors. I just enter in a text. I can measure also even the 3D model, and once I'm done the markup, I can easily pass this to my sales design community. Community is nothing but it's like a inbuilt social media provided by 3D Experience platform, where you can group all your team members from different teams. to interact with them and in order to pass this information. So here I'm posting this comment in receiving sales department, and I'm just making this design change request made by customer. Once I uploaded this design change request in the community, so whoever as a part of community, they will receive a live notification, and they will be able to start working on those design change requests.
3D experience is not only helping you to store and manage your data in secure environment, it also giving you the collaboration capability as well as task management capability, which is very much helpful for the effective collaboration across the different department in the entire organization. Let's see how this collaboration capability is helping your team to for the effective and enhanced collaboration.
Let's see how this community environment helping the effective collaboration. As I mentioned, these communities are the group that you are create for the different teams of people. Those communities have a social media, where you can scroll the activities, recent activities, and you can see who liked the post, and you can even tag the people to let them know that this information was specially made for them. And you can even, it will also record the history of what are the conversation and decision, which make it very different than hunting through email strips, because we know that when we are searching for different information, we have to go to the emails, we have to search for the information. It will be having a plenty of information. To avoid those email strips, it's giving an interactive way of seeing all the recorded conversation, and whoever the part of team members in the community, they will receive a live notification about what are the tasks assigned to them. So likewise, like communities, it's also giving me the capability for the video as well as audio conferencing capabilities with the help of this conversation application, where I can quickly invite my team members, I can interact with them, I can start immediately a video call as well as audio call, and even I can able to share my screen also. So this helping me to focus more on my work, since everything is happening on the single interface without leaving the application. So with the help of a collaborative task, you can assign the task to the people, and you can see what the task assigned to you, and what are the stages, whether the task is in initial stages, or somebody is working on the task, or whether the task has been completed. So these kind of things you can easily view with the help of collaborative task. Task assignment is very simple process actually. Here you can edit a task, you can assign to self, or you can assign to the group of people, and you can even assign the duration, what is the time duration to finish the task. And more specifically, you can even attach the deliverables also, like attachments like images or document that will explain them what are the details of the task, instead of they don't need to leave the interface and they have to search for the related information. They will get all the information in a single place.
3D experience platform is not only giving you the roles and application related to the design and PLM services, it's also giving a lot of interesting application for the sales and marketing people. Let's see one of the application, which is 3D experience platform social business analyst role. This social business analyst role is powered by NetWright on the 3D experience platform. So what it is giving you? It will provide the business analytics and market intelligence tool for the product management, marketing and sales department, so that they can deliver powerful online content analysis that enable data-driven decision making for every part of the organization. We know that the internet has changed the way we communicate with each other. With over 4 billion people tweeting, posting articles, videos, imaging online, the network social business analyst role on 3D Experience platform present a powerful and easy to use set of online content analysis tool to quickly filter relevant contents and identify the trends, pattern, and your customer feedback for your brands and product. So let me figure out the key capabilities what you can achieve with the help of social business analyst. The first one, content aggregation. You can easily gather the information online, what the relevant product and what are the relevant article was published about your product. You can easily able to quickly gather those information. You can find curated content by the industry wise also. And you can do the content analysis. You can even find out who is talking about your brand and product, and you can figure out what is your real customer expectation and what enhancement they would like to add on your existing product. So you can identify the keywords, trends, location, and competitors. So whenever these keywords was mentioned by your customer and searchers, you will get the analysis that what they were searching for and what are the features they were exactly looking on your current product. So this will help you to develop your product and enhance your product to the next level, to capture more customer and to gain the customer satisfaction. And moreover, apart from this aggregation and analysis, you can even automate this content. You can create automatic email, newsletters, feeds, community. You can seamlessly share those content internally as well as externally. So with network social business analysis, you can instantly access thousands of curated content sources organized by industry wise. You can quickly create customized feed to spend more time reading and less time searching for the relevant content. You can intelligently identify the trends and market insight from reviews, posts, comments. So effortlessly export content to your phone, email, social media, so you are always up to date. So finally, we came to the end of this session, which is conclusion. So far what we have seen is effective team collaboration. You have witnessed that how I can able to easily collaborate with my team members as well as my customer with the help of this collaborative business innovator role. Thanks to 3D Experience platform to provide such a simple user interface role which is running on the web browser. And secondly, you have witnessed that how I made a product interaction with a customer, how I made a demo with the customer with the help of 3D Play. This is a viewer that no need to be installed with just a simple web browser drag and drop environment. I can able to quickly view the design as well as non-design data. And coming to the 3D dashboard, here only I customized all the information and centralized in a common place where I can access all the information without switching between different applications. And coming to 3D Stream, it's as I mentioned that it is your in-house social media, like how you're using LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and other Facebook kind of social media. Here in 3D Stream, 3D Experience platform, you can able to invite the peoples to the community, and you can even able to chat with them. You can make a audio conferencing and video conferencing. Even it can be able to provide you the screen sharing option also. So those options are really helpful to have a quick meeting as well as to share the information quickly. And 3D Drive, as I already mentioned, that it is where I securely store all the content. Is a collaborative space where I can able to access the latest data. So whenever there was a latest information or latest product launch happened in the company, those information will be in 3D Drive readily available for all stakeholders in the company. So we all stay up to date of the latest information. It helps us to focus more on sales, to foster the sales as well as to enhance the product. And as a being a sales and marketing activities, I always have to stay up to date on latest product information as well as market trends, what the customer was expecting, what the enhancement they would like to do on the product. So these kind of analysis as well as analytics, I can able to get with the help of social business analyst role. Thanks to 3D Experience platform to provide such a very useful role, and it's a very powerful and easy to use. It's provide a lot of analytic information. Even you can able to do the automate the news feed, automate the email. You can even quickly capture what the customer was talking about your product and where and all your product was mentioned in which articles. So those kind of information you are aggregated and analyzed, and you have a consolidated report of what are the analytics related to your product. So these are the basic capabilities that we have seen today in 3D Experience platform. Thanks to 3D Experience platform for providing such an interactive roles. This is our contact details where you can reach us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and we are even having accounts in Instagram as well as Twitter page. Please feel free to leave your comment or feedback to improve us. Thank you.